Hello guys, today we prepare a spectacular recipe, the pulled pork. For this recipe we need 1 kilogram 800 gram of pork shoulder, 2 kilogram or less, 2 teaspoons of salt, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, half teaspoon of chili powder, 2 cloves of garlic, 2 branches of rosemary, 1 onion, half carrot, 5 spring onion, a tablespoon of tomato paste, a tablespoon of honey, and half glass of beer. Plus, I will use also 1 tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil. But today we don't use the normal oven, we don't use the barbecue, because you can do also this on the barbecue, but we use this kind of oven. It's halogen oven. I write now the name because for sure the pronunciation is wrong. And if you like, I put some link in the description. You can buy it on Amazon. It's only $50, $60, $70. The particularity of this oven that you can move and put all over you like. It's very easy to clean and the smell remain inside the pot. So I think it's a good choice, especially if you don't have the normal oven, or if you travel like camping, or you have space outside, you can do also this in the garden. So now we dress the meat. I add the garlic, making some cut with the knife, and after we put the meat apart, we prepare all the other vegetables. We put the oil, the vegetables, the beer, the meat, and in conclusion the honey on the top. And we put the temperature of our oven, the classic one or this one, at 150-130 Celsius degree. That is in Fahrenheit around 300 Fahrenheit degree. And we cook our pork for 4, 5, 6 hours. Probably I have no time, I will cook it only 4 hours, should be enough. Naturally, we cannot eat the pulled pork like this, but I will prepare a kind of salad that is called coleslaw. I put the name here. And we will make a sandwich with the pulled pork and coleslaw. See you later. Okay, complete with the honey. We need to bake it, so we put the lid and we bake 4 or 5 hours at 130, 150 Celsius degree or 300 Fahrenheit degree. If you do on the barbecue, like I've done the porchetta, you need to fold in aluminum foil. Cook 3-4 hours on the barbecue, and at the end you remove the foil and you complete. But it's better this way because the meat will remain more juicy. See you later. After 1 hour, you have here already the timer. Ting! We open, we take our meat, we turn upside down, we put again the lid, and we start again the timer, 1 hour. Every hour we turn the meat. In this way will be cooked perfectly in all the sides. And we should cook other 3 hours. So see you for the tasting. Okay, after 4 hours our pork is ready, is cooked. Now we need to pull the pork. So we take the meat, we put in the dish, and with 2 forks we pull the pork. After we add all the juice and the vegetables, they are here in our pot. We mix very well. We take a loaf for the hamburger. You can find also the video here on the channel to make homemade bread for the hamburger. After we add the coleslaw, the salad that you already I've done in the last video, and we taste it. The smell is spectacular. Spectacular. Especially with a fresh beer. If it's your homemade beer, it's even better. Okay guys, remember to subscribe to the channel, to leave me I like it, to watch all the other videos, to share this video with your friends, anything's down in the comment. I do the tasting because the sun is going down. After that I finish this sandwich, I will finish to pull my pork. Bye bye.